Hello.
Hello, assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm good, I'm good. I am Jamal from Bangladesh. I am team leader, Mr. Motiur Rohman.
Okay. Nice
Uh,
to meet you.
yeah, please, just time wait you. He will be join this meeting as soon as possible. I am knock you and so please tell me where are you from?
I'm from London, UK.
Okay, okay. Uh, please tell me
I'm guessing you guys.
you are
I'm
native.
guessing you guys are based where?
Sorry,
Where are you guys based?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Okay.
Okay, okay. You are a Muslim, right?
Alhamdulillah.
Yeah, Alhamdulillah. You are.
Hi Dan, how are you?
Hi MD, how you doing? You alright?
How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
Okay, fine. Mr. Zanal is my team leader.
Yeah, he told me.
Okay, okay. Please discuss about this.
Okay. Does he have all the information I need?
Okay,
Okay.
MD. Okay, MD.
Yes.
MD. Your name is Duadon, right? No, Dadon.
No, the Duale, Dean. My name is Dean. Just call me Dean, it's easier.
Then dua.
Yeah.
Okay, then Dua. Okay. Good. Thank you very much. We are very proud to join with us with you in meeting. Okay. Please let me I discuss with some about us. We are Bangladeshi. We are not a native English. We are. This is our second language is English. So when you talk with us, please we will be talking fluently and slowly. Please
No worries.
continue what you want and what is your advising.
Um, so what is it you guys do exactly?
Sorry.
What do you guys do? What is it that you provide?
Okay. Uh, we are we are digital marketer. We have another agency. We are doing to the social media free and paid campaigns, YouTube and Google service. So please tell me which type of service do you have want?
So real estate. We
Okay,
do Facebook advertising.
okay, okay. You have real estate business, right?
Yes, that's
Okay,
correct.
okay. Uh, which platform do you want to be promote your business?
Sorry.
Which platform do you want to promote your business?
Facebook.
Facebook. Okay. Uh, Facebook is the largest platform in a business for real estate. So please tell me, have your website?
Pardon?
Have your website?
Yes, I have a website.
Okay, okay, okay.
It's currently under construction,
Mm-hmm.
reconstruction, but I have a
Okay,
website.
okay. Have your business manager in Facebook account?
Pardon?
Have your business manager in Facebook account?
Yes, I have a business manager on Facebook as well. Yeah.
Okay, okay, good, good, good. Okay, we have large experience in Facebook advertising and campaigning. We are doing to campaign ready for you and to the great research when do the job. Okay,
But what you guys generate leads, correct?
you want to lead? Okay, no problem, no
You,
problem. Uh, when we are ready for your campaign, we are ready. I am ready. Your Facebook campaigns to the for leads, and then people's when click this photos or advertise, this is the carry on a lead. Okay,
You guys generate leads how?
okay, okay. This is the two way, a free way and paid way. Okay, free way is, it is not a real job because it is not real leads for from Facebook. But if you paid,
Yes, I know.
okay, if
How
you
much? How much do you pay for the leads, and how much leads can you get?
uh, how much you want?
I want 1,000
1,000. Okay, no problem. We will do
qualified leads.
qualified lead. This is the
Yeah.
main. This is the main option. If you want to qualified lead, you can do the paid campaign.
Yeah,
Okay.
'cause obviously I'm
Yeah.
gonna pay for the
Okay.
qualified leads, but I
Yeah.
want a
Yeah.
thousand leads every
Yeah.
month.
Yeah. Yeah. Please. I am share my screen. And then.
Can you provide 1,000 leads per month?
Yeah. 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 Just please see. I am share my screen. Are you see my screen? Are you see my screen?
Yes, I can see your
Okay.
screen.
Okay. Okay. Just I'm white. This is the demo. Hmm? Business overview. Okay.
How many leads can you generate every month?
Or just time white you. I'm just time white you, please.
So,
Okay.
Gulzar.
Okay, dear friend.
Pardon?
Okay, dear friend. If you spend in Facebook for ads campaign to get lead, this is the option. This is the option. When I ready,
Yeah, of course.
when I ready um, a campaign in leads option, then will be ready for your campaign for leads. I will research your tag for your business, real estate business related tags and location, then will be create leads. Okay, so you know how, if you spend so much money in Facebook, you will take in Facebook better lead. Okay.
Okay, so how much do I need to spend for qualified leads?
This is
And
the
you,
yeah, this is the not perfect, but if you spend 100 US dollar, you can get 3 or 500 leads.
is it qualified?
Yeah, this is the qualified, this is 100% qualified.
How do you qualify the leads? How do you know it's qualified?
Okay. Okay, when ready a campaign, this way, a person or a peoples when click this option, you will get automatically leads, automatically generate leads. Is a who is click in the campaign, this is a real person, which means you, me and others person, they are using Facebook really using Facebook, and there are 1 2 um, real estate option, housing platform or others.
Okay. And how do you? So you don't call the leads or anything like that.
Sorry.
You don't phone call the leads. You don't send email to the leads.
Sorry, I don't understand. Please, do others what you using?
Okay. So let's say you generate the leads. Yeah. Let's say I pay $100.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. And you generate 300 leads.
Maybe this is not perfect.
So how many leads? Minimum how many?
Minimum 2 to 5, 2 to 5.
Minimum 2 to 500.
Yeah.
Every month or every week?
Every month.
Every month.
Yeah.
Okay. And how do you check the leads? Do you give them a call? Do you email the leads? Because in the form they sign the register and
Yeah.
you get their numbers, right?
Yeah.
You obviously see if they're interested,
Yeah.
right? This is how you generate leads. You see if they're interested.
Okay, dear. I see your mind. I am very good. Sorry, I will do the research for you. So if you want $100, how many do you have in Facebook? So you will be take me 3 or 5 hours for research. Can you do me?
Pardon?
Hmm?
Repeat that, please.
Just time you take me 2 or 5 hours for research in your leads. If you spend $100, how many perfect leads?
Yeah, I need perfect leads. So when I call them or I send an email,
Okay.
they want to go through with it. They want my service. They want my system. They want my company.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah, so that's what I want. I want good quality, perfect leads. So when I speak to them,
Yes.
they want to go straight away. Straight away, they want the system.
Okay, no problem. Please just time wait here. I am ready. And simple research. This is not perfect research. This is a simple research.
Okay, I'll let you go do the research. Let me know when you're ready. Just let me know, and we'll go back on the call.
Okay, no problem. No problem.
Yeah. So, I need leads in the UK. Mainly in the UK. I don't mind the States. United States. I don't mind Dubai. I don't mind Qatar. But I need mainly.
Please, your location just all United Kingdom or specific any city.
Does it help if I give you specific?
Oh, specific means any cities. You're mainly in any cities.
Well, I live in the United Kingdom, but I live in London to be specific.
Yeah. But I see your location all United Kingdom or specific any location.
Which is better, for all United Kingdom or specific?
Which is better? All United Kingdom is better.
Huh?
All United Kingdom is better.
Okay, whole United Kingdom, but I want perfect leads. So when I call them, they want the company.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I need real estate agents.
Okay.
Or real estate brokers.
Okay.
Or property managers.
Okay. I see. Please, some keyword means your perfection in business related words. Please send Mr. Motiur Rohman's messengers. So when
what do I send him?
Okay. Please some keywords, more than 2 or 3 keywords. Keywords mean your business related word.
So what I just told you, basically.
Okay. This is the
okay.
Okay, uh, now starting my research, and as soon as possible I will get you, the result. How, if you $100 spend, how many get reels, leads in from Facebook. This is the real leads. Okay.
Yes, please. I need perfect leads. I don't need leads that they're not interested or anything like that, or they were just looking and they did nothing like that. I need perfect leads, so when I contact them, they are ready.
Okay. Okay. No problem.
Yeah, I will send Mr. MD Motiur. Is
Yeah.
that his name?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
His name is,
Yes,
his name MD
Motiur
Motiur
Rohman.
Rahman.
Motiur
He is a
Rohman.
senior. He's for
Motiur
see.
Rahman.
He's
Okay,
Motiur Rohman.
I will send him the keywords.
okay.
Like for example, real estate agent, real estate broker,
Mm-hmm.
property manager, and things like that. I will
Mm-hmm.
send him the information. Do you need anything else from me?
No, I have no question.
Nothing else, yeah?
Okay.
Okay, perfect.
Thank you very much. Assalamu
All right,
alaikum.
thank you. Wa
Assalamu
alaikum
alaikum. Happy
assalam.
Ramadan. Happy Ramadan.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ramadan Mubarak to you too, my brother.
Okay,
Ramadan.
And
fine.
Matia Rahman, thank you for
Yeah.
the call, yeah?
Yeah.
I appreciate that. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Assalamu alaikum.
Thank you. Bye. Wa alaikum salam.
Please send me requirement, please.
Yes, I will send that to you now on LinkedIn, yeah?
Okay.
Okay, all right. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
Please leave. Okay. স্যার,
জি।
উনি আসলে খুবই ভদ্র মানুষ, ঠান্ডা মানুষ,
আচ্ছা।
বুঝতে পারছেন?
আচ্ছা, আপনি কি রেকর্ড করছেন?
হ্যাঁ, আমি রেকর্ড করছি।
ধন্যবাদ। আমি মনে করছি রেকর্ড করলেন কি বাবা।
না, আমি রেকর্ড করছি এবং খুবই মানে ভদ্র মানুষ। তবে উনি
হ্যাঁ,
যদি
মানে নামাজি লোক।
উনাকে যদি রিয়েল কাজ দেয়া যায় তাহলে উনি
জি।
ভালো একটা, উনি মানে ভালো কাজ দিবে। বুঝতে পারছেন?
আচ্ছা।
এখন
জি।
বিষয়টা হচ্ছে উনি লিড চাচ্ছে, উনার রিয়েল এস্টেটের বিজনেস আছে, সেই বিজনেসের লিড চাচ্ছে। লিড মানে হচ্ছে মানুষের ইনফরমেশন।
লিড মানে হলো আগ্রহী ক্রেতাদের ইনফরমেশন।
যারা ক্রেতার আগ্রহী তারা তাদের ইনফরমেশন চাচ্ছে,
ইনফরমেশন।
যাতে তারপরে সে ওনাদের সাথে যোগাযোগ